Good morning, welcome to another video. It is Christmas morning and I wanted to do a video today because Christmas, for those who celebrate Christmas, it's supposed to be this day where you spend it with your loved ones and it's a happy, joyous get-together with friends or family, and the sad reality is that not everybody has that. Not everybody has friends or family that live close by that they can spend with their family, you know, and there's a lot of people who are alone on Christmas. There's a lot of people who are very sad, very depressed, very lonely on Christmas Day, and especially on Christmas Day because society has labeled it that it's supposed to be this happy day that you spend with your family, but it is a very difficult day for people who don't have family who live close by or who are still with us. A lot of people have lost somebody dear this year and it's going to be their first Christmas without them. Christmas is not always a happy, joyous day. And for those of you out there who don't have anybody to spend your Christmas with, or if you have lost somebody this year and it's going to be your first Christmas without them, I wanted to do a video for you because I know what it's like. I live in a different country to my mom and my brother, and yeah, it's not always a happy, joyous day for everybody. So for everybody out there who is alone today, who doesn't have friends or family close by to spend your day with, this video is for you. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so for today's painting, I am going to be doing a bottle bottom pour again. So you'll remember that I had this bottle bottom, which I just cut off a 500ml cola bottle. Now what I've done for today's painting is I've actually cut 3 holes underneath, because if you'll remember when we did the painting, you put this in the middle of the canvas and you pour your paints over it. And then you lift this. But that whole inside circle is white. It's your base color. I'm going to try this to see if maybe the paints are going to go under into the middle. I don't know if it's going to, but it would make it easier if it did. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a white base down, and then I've got a couple colors, and I'm going to be doing it on a spinner. So that is the plan. Okay, so I'm going to put a white base down. I've watered this down a little bit because it's just the base, and I'm just going to be spinning it off now anyway. So I've come into my caravan to do the painting, and I think I have killed 10, maybe more, flies here in the caravan. I don't know where they've all come from. I mean, there's no food or anything in here. I don't know what has brought them. And it's supposed to be winter. I mean, we're not supposed to have flies now. Although, to be honest, the temperature has been quite mild, you know, up until now. Maybe that's why we still have flies around. But I'm going to have to get, I don't know, one of those fly strips or something, because this is ridiculous. I mean, they're all over the place. Anyway, so I'm just going to spin this out. Again, I didn't put enough paint. I really need to put more paint. Yeah. Anyway, then not to worry. It will all work out in the end. Oh, and then, I mean, talking about the flies, I just showed you the wet paintings. They're busy drying on the other side of the caravan. A fly landed in one. The painting is now ruined. So, yeah, that just happened. Okay, that's good enough. Right, so I'm going to put that down. And now we're going to layer our paints. That was not a fly. I don't even know what it was. I think this will be a good time to tell you that I have a phobia in life, and that phobia is bees and wasps. I am petrified of the things. I know bees, of course, very important, need to have them. I get it, but I am petrified of the things. So anytime I hear something buzzing around my head, I get very uptight. And I don't know if you can hear it, but there is a buzzing in this caravan right now. Which is really nerve-wracking for me, so... I've just set my spinner up here on the floor, so I'm sitting on like a stool, and the spinner's on the floor. But when you're my age and overweight, you need to have an escape plan, because I can't just get up very quickly. Anyway. It's all in the joys, isn't it? I have lost quite a bit of weight. I am on a intermittent fasting and keto diet, and I have lost 10 kilograms, which I'm very happy about, but I still have a long way to go. But we'll get there. I see it is going into the middle a little bit. Okay. I need to spin it out, and then torch it. I'm just waiting for some of the paint to run off the bottle bottom. Okay, I'm going to lift it. Okay, so it has run a little bit to the middle, which is nice. I can push it down and see. No, it's fine. So all I'm going to do is, using my stick, I am going to go in. Yeah, so let me see if I can show you. Doesn't look bad. It's got, you know, it's got some character to it. I like those colors. That looks very pretty. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I think it turned out okay. Yeah. I'm going to have to take it into the house because I can see a fly landing in this painting in the next 5 minutes. So, yeah, I'm going to do that. But anyway, yeah, thank you for joining me on the video, and Merry Christmas, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I just wanted to show you the paintings that we did in previous videos. You know, they're not even dry yet. This caravan is definitely, I think, too cold, and today I'm going to be moving these paintings into the house so they can dry. There's that ring paw. That one should be, it looks like it's about 80% dry. That is the funnel paw that we did. That one is still sopping wet. That one is the bottle bottom paw. And then this one was the one we did with a 24 karat gold. Now, a lot more gold popped up, but it cracked. The paint cracked. So we still have the pretty cells down the bottom. We have more cells that popped up along this side, which is nice, but that cracked. Yeah, and those are not cells, that is cracked. And it could be because my paint was, it's old. My 24 karat gold is about 3 years old. I think that is why it didn't do what it was supposed to do. But I have ordered more 24 karat gold, and it should be arriving, I don't know when, because it's Christmas, so who knows when these things are going to arrive now. But yeah, I'll be mixing up some new paint, and we're going to be trying that paint in again when the new paint arrives, and see. And then, like I said, I think my colors that I poured over the gold was a little bit thick. So I'll be thinning the colors down a little bit, and then we're going to try that pour again. Yeah, so they're all still sopping wet. So I'll be moving them into the house, and then of course there's that painting we did. And for some reason I've got discoloration here in the black. So I'm probably going to just touch up that black today while I'm here in my little art room. I'll just touch that up.